Hey, but it's me, Spider here. Like the intro? Yeah. So today we are going to be building the ARL 44. It is a French heavy tank, and as you can see here, it's got some armor stands effect. It's good, nice. So let's get started. So first, for the first one, actually no, let me just, okay. I need to get my blocko. So yeah, okay. First, so let's get our, let's just get some glass. Where's your glass? Okay. First, we're gonna need 10 blocks away. Okay, never mind. Okay, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, folks. From right here, you're gonna want to place another brick stair right there, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, facing that way, and then put 1 right there, and then go 1, 2. And then go out 3, then put snow up to the, you can count 4 pixels on this slab, and do that all the way across. Actually, no, not just right there. Actually, no, it's like that. So then we'll put another stone slab there, and then just do this, fill that in. Okay, now I think break this. Yeah, break that, and then put another stone brick stair like that, and then this, yada yada yada. So there you go. That's the first layer, and now on to the second layer. Secondly, you will not need this. You will not need that, but you will need this, and this. Okay, so once you're done getting your blocks, you want to put 3 upside down, actually no, like that, never mind, excuse me, put 3 regular stone brick stairs like that, and then take your green block of choice, or gray, or whatever you want, put it right there, and then go 4 back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now let's go there, place another brick stone stairs right here, and then make 1 space from like that, 1 just air block, and then go all the way to the back, and just fill that up, and then take your nether brick top slab, and go do that on the other side, fill this, make that 1 full slab. Wait a second, break that, and do that. Excuse me. Okay, and then you're not gonna have a good inside, but I'll try. So after that, you wanna go fill this up like all the way to here, like that. So just do like that. So this is the area you're gonna work with for the inside. So, alright, was this layer completed? And on to the next. So the next layer you're gonna need just this, and that's all. But you're not gonna need this anymore. So you just need these 4 blocks. So then you're gonna go all the way up here and bring your nether brick slabs right down over here, and then do this on the other side. There. And once you're done with that, you want to take your stone brick stairs, put another row of 3 right there. Take 3 green block of your choice right there, and put it there, and then put 1, 2, put a 6, like 2 by 3 rectangle right there, and then you're done. And then after that layer, you are not going to need this, you're not going to need that, you're not going to need this, but you are going to need a button here and this. So what you want to do, you want to take from here, go out there and put 3 and add 1 to each side, like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, then put 1 on the back, and then 1 on the front, and then put 1 button there for like I think that's like a sight or a scope, I don't know. So then put this out like here, that is around like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5. So, and once you are now done with this layer, after that, you're not going to need this, but you're not going to need that, but you are going to need this and this. So what you're going to do and put this like there. Actually, you are going to need this too, and put that like that. And put 2 stone brick slabs, and then put 1 stone brick stair right there. And then what you're going to do, put 1 green block of your choice, and then put end rod right here, or yeah, for like the back gun, like a machine gun. Then put 1 green concrete. Actually, no, put 2, 1 right there, 1 green concrete there, and then 1 iron trapdoor break this, and do that. So now you're done with this layer. For the next layer, you're gonna only need these right here. And then you put 1 right there, and then surround this on all sides with buttons. I'm just saying the hatch is supposed to be right here, but you can't. You could put a cauldron, but you could see then down there. That wouldn't look good, and you couldn't even fit all the way through. So that's it. So, but with this sight here, you can just come in here. And yeah. So let's just add a button. Is this the gun? So right here, you're gonna want to add a dispenser, or right here, you want to add a dispenser, and then put a trap door right here for like the gun where you load up the stuff. And then here is this, you want to put a chest, and then you want to just put some fences in it. Where's some? Yeah, actually no, let's just put some, these are good. Some, I don't know, something that looks like a gun, I don't know. That's a bit of a stretch, but yeah. Now for the tricky part. First, you're gonna need, for the things, you're gonna just get rid of these. You're gonna need an armor stand and a chain helmet, or a chainmail helmet. Then you're gonna need a piston and this. And these and these. So first of all, this is the easy part. You wanna put, that's not good. Okay, let's just, okay, I'm trying to make this fast so I can, dang it, again. Okay. Okay, now it's 1 armor stand. Let's just break this for the moment. Right there, and then put another one. There we go. 1 right there. I'm not gonna bother with this. Put 1 right there. 2 blocks here, and then 1 like that, and then that. Put these on. Break them. Now you got that. You can go put your slabs right here. And then take your pistons like that and push them, because you want the engine to kind of sort of in there. And then what you're going to do, the tricky parts, break these, and then put 1 right there, 1 right there. Just put all 3, and then put one block right there. Put an armor stand right there, and then another block right there. That's not for the now. And then put a piston like that, and then power it, and then put 1 right there. Actually, no, 1 right there, I think. I dare say. Okay. Oh yeah. So we're gonna put one right here. Like that. You can make this straight by breaking and redoing it again and again, but I don't have the time. It's getting night. Push. And then over here, pull another one right there. Arm up. Like there. Push. And then one right here. Up right there. And then up. Put the helmet on, then push. Okay, you're done. Now what you want to do, you want to put one thing there. This is just the temporary, put that like that. This is times that. Oh gosh, caps. How did that happen? What? Time set 0. Okay. Okay, is that. Come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, we're going to put 3 persons there, and then put blocks on top, and then power. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, fine. And then power again. Okay. Now just do this again. Okay. Okay, same drill. Bloop. Put the thing there. Put the piston up. Gosh. I'm really crunched on time. Actually, no, I'm not. What am I saying? Relax. It's gonna be okay. Okay, just got that there. Okay, let's put this. Let's take this here. Okay. That's put this on. Okay, you get the gist and power it. Dang it. Okay, now for this one. Power. And then right from here. Okay, the back is hurting a lot. That's probably why I'm being. Just make that one a little bit better. Okay, there. And then that. And then power it. Okay, done. Now, once you're done with that, the tricky part, put your top slabs and then your pistons. And then power, brake, then power again, and then you're done. So, yeah. This has been the ARL. Actually, no, wait. You still need to put these on. Yep, I forgot these. The ARL has some fenders right here, so let me just, I forgot to put them on right here. Yeah, okay. There we go. And finally, once you're done with that, you can put your end rod here, and you're done with the ARL 44. This has been the Spider Cat, and I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial or Spider Cat series. So, bye. Right as it rains. Okay, bye.